Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to uninstall any apps or games without leaving any data in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without any more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen, right? So suppose when we want to uninstall or delete or remove an application, we most probably just like tapping, and here you can see uninstall, right? But I'll not recommend you directly click on uninstall by doing this kind of tricks, right? But before clicking on uninstall, you need to do one thing which I will highly recommend, because I myself used to do all the time if I uninstall any apps or games from my Android smartphones. So what you need to do now, when you get this kind of options, right? So you can see on the right corner there is a I written, right? So just click on this informations about the application, right? So just scroll down below, and now you can see one options, storage, right? So just click on it. Now under the storage, just in the bottom you can see two options. One on the left side is written as clear data, and on the right side is clear cache. That means clear cache will clear all the caches that you have access or stored on your respective application while using the respective application. Say in my case it's a Samsung Notes, right? So while I was using, so it will keep on records or caches, something like that. So in the left side is a clear data. So if you have signed out, if you have a sign in or anything you have saved on the applications, that will completely removed before uninstalling. So firstly what you need to do is just click on clear cache. Now you can see here it's being blurred, right? That means cache has been cleared successfully. Now let us click on the clear data. So it's showing some masses. Just click on OK. Now you can see both the options are being blurred, right? Then now you just move back, and now below you can see here uninstall. Just click on uninstall, click on OK, wait for a few seconds. So finally we have uninstalled any apps or games without leaving any data in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So you should definitely try these cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.